Morning, all you beautiful people, and welcome back to the shed. So today we're going to give her a little bit of a wash, see what kind of condition the paint's in. We flipped her around inside the shed and got the Golf out. We've got it started. She is running very rough. We'll turn it on and give you a little look. Because she's running very rough. Immobilizer. As you can tell, she's running nicely. So yeah, she starts, drive.
Oh, she shakes a bit.
And she stinks.
273k.
Yeah, she's in a good state. Well looked after. Again, let's show you this bloody engine when I can get it open. Oh my god! There you go. Look how much it's wobbling. Engine mounts are definitely shot. But the main thing is she starts, she drives and she runs. It gives us a good starting point. And she's quite cool. But yeah, let's give her a nice little maintenance wash before we start on the work. I'll leave here. But yeah, it's going to be an exciting project. You've obviously seen the reveal, hopefully some of you have. But she definitely smells. And she's got quite a lot of rust on her. But yeah, let's give her a wash. See what the paint's underneath is like.
More rust.
Give us some more rust. But yeah, let's get into it. Give her a wash. We've got the finest in water pressure.
That's it.
Right, now she's all wet. We're going to stick some of the finest grade washing up liquid on it.
Some of the finest.
Because it doesn't really need fucking washing properly. It's just going to sit in the shed for a while until we get some weekends to start doing it. But yeah, this is the shed.
That's it. Questionable, mate.
So we've already done the first little thing to it. These Ming mirror covers were £1 each. So we replaced those. Because when they're £1 each, why not? They're £1, so fuck it. Obviously the interior needs to be addressed, because if you look underneath the car, it's now wet. But there it is. Oh my, it looks worse on camera.
Oh.
Yeah. It goes right the way through to the floor. But other than that, that's the only bit we've seen so far. We need to get it up in the air to have a proper look underneath. But we're giving it, other than the rust, she's looking fine.
Fine is subjective, but for 300 quid.
300 quid, you can't complain. But yeah, we're going to whack her back in the garage now. This is obviously the garage. Whack her back in here, get her started again, put her in, yeah. Come back another day and start on the bodywork. So yeah, hope you like this little video. It's not a little, it's only a little 5 minute, 6 minute video we're going to do. Huh? Ollie's going to put it in the shed. But yeah, if you did like this video, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Adios. I know you were 10-second car.
Yeah, 10 days.
What's your name? What's your name? Come on then. Put the windows down. Didn't surprise everything works. Come all this way.
man. That throttle is literally all or nothing, the amount of slack that's in it.
Oh my god, it's the second time. You fucking slammed the fucking bonnet, didn't you? Watch that, because I've caught my fucking jump t-shirt on it.
Oh. Oh, there's some cutting discs on the wall over there.